this half hour, everyone. According to a weekly report by DHEC, flu cases in the upstate are on the rise, and those flu-like symptoms are hitting Greenville County schools.
Yeah, and some of them particularly hard. 7 News' Ayla Ferrone joins us in studio. Ayla, I know my family's been hit by the flu. A lot of parents going to be concerned and want to listen up to this, right?
Absolutely. There are actually 2 elementary schools in the Greenville County School District who are experiencing higher than usual absences. Officials say when those absences get high enough, they involve DHEC.
Most adults know that washing your hands and limiting touch can help prevent the flu. But as Dr. David Brancotti explains, children are a different story.
It's really easy for them to touch something, touch their face. They have a lot of close contact with other kids, so it's a really easy way to spread.
He says not many have come to him with the flu symptoms until recently.
Strangely enough, we've really seen hardly anything until yesterday. Yesterday, we saw an explosion.
20 people who came to Emergency MD yesterday had flu-like symptoms, and within the Greenville County School District,
we do certainly track absences, and we do recognize when there are a larger than normal number of students who are out.
Both Oakview Elementary and Cashin Elementary have higher than usual absences.
They have had either 10% of their student body above and beyond normal absence rate or 20% above normal absence rate in one of their classrooms.
This is when the district will notify DHEC for tracking purposes. They'll also send in deep cleaning crews to the affected areas, usually kindergarten or lower grade classes,
and are more likely to simply learn by sharing things. Those are the cases where we see it spread more often.
And although you can't prevent the flu completely, you can teach your kids good habits.
A reminder, sneeze into your elbow, cough into your elbow,
to keep them from bringing those germs home. And although flu season seems to just be getting underway in the upstate, health experts have an idea of what the rest of the season could hold.
This year it's been very, very high in Australia, and that usually is a predictor of what we have.
Now, if your child does end up with flu-like symptoms, many schools will ask that you keep them home for at least 24 hours after they no longer have a fever, and that's without the help of medicine. They say this helps keep everyone else at school, including staff, healthy. I'm live in studio, Ayla Ferrone, 7 News.